Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring how drones are changing the game in livestock farming. First, let's talk about mustering. Traditionally, herding livestock over vast terrains required significant manpower and time. Now drones equipped with cameras and speakers can guide animals efficiently, reducing stress for both livestock and farmers. Second, drones are enhancing health monitoring. With thermal imaging, farmers can detect illnesses or injuries early, ensuring timely intervention and better animal welfare. Third, pasture management has improved. Drones provide aerial views, helping farmers assess grazing patterns and land conditions, leading to more sustainable practices. Lastly, drones are cost effective. By reducing the need for manual labor and enabling precise monitoring, they offer a high return on investment. Embracing drone technology is a smart move for modern livestock farmers. Would you consider integrating drones into your farming practices? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into innovative farming techniques. Thanks for watching.